Hi, welcome back to another video. So in this video we will discuss the different methods to transpose data in Excel. If you have the data in vertical form like this and you want to transpose it in the form of horizontal, first select the data and copy it and select a blank cell where you want to see the results. Right click your mouse button and from the paste options select this option with double arrows. Click on it. You can see all the vertical data have been changed horizontally. If you want the reverse of this, like change horizontal data to vertical, so same process for this. Select the data and copy it and select the blank cell of your desired destination. Right click your mouse button and click this option from the paste option. Now the horizontal data have been changed to vertically. There is another option. First select the data, copy it and select the blank cell. Right click, click on paste special and select this option transpose and click OK. There is a shortcut method to transpose data. First select and copy data that you want to transpose and select a blank cell and press Alt E S E and make sure the transpose option is checked and click OK. But there is a problem. If you change the original data, there will be no effect to the transposed data. So if you want the transposed data to change when the original data is changed, then we will use the transpose function to do that. So for this, select a blank cell and type the formula transpose and select the array. Array means the range of data that you want to transpose from vertical to horizontal or horizontal to vertical form. Close the bracket and press enter. All the data have been changed from vertical to horizontal. Now if there is any changing in the original data, the transposed data will be changed. Like I want to change the name Tommy in the original data with Jimmy. Now you will notice the name Tommy will be replaced with Jimmy in the transposed data. Another method is by select and copy the data and select a blank cell, right click on it and click on paste special and select this option paste link. Now you will notice all the data have been pasted as it is. Now select the result range and press Ctrl plus H. In the find word box, type equals to, and in the replace with box, input at the rate of ER or any character that doesn't exist in the selected range. Now click on replace all. Select the range and press Ctrl plus C to copy it. Right click on a blank cell and select the transpose icon from paste options. Make sure the transpose result data is selected and then press Ctrl plus H and replace at the rate of ER with the equals to sign. Click on replace all and then close the dialog box. Now you can see the data is transposed and linked to the original cells. So these are the more important and powerful method to transpose data in Excel. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos about Excel. Thank you.